let's talk about another one of our brothers, because what the Royals did was something not very nice. They came into the studios of Trigbuzz Live, they picked up one of our experts and they put him on the playing field. We got so used to having Robbie around the studios, we forgot he's actually playing. So he's out there with the men in pink. But how crucial a role is he going to play, Harsha, for them, especially with Buttler and Stokes not there?
Yeah, what I'm interested in knowing is, are they going to go and tell him, look, till Josh Buttler comes, one more game, let's see how you go at the top of the order? Or are they going to say, look, once Buttler comes in, you're probably going to be 3 or 4, so you still open with Robin? You could go. It's a bit of this and a bit of that. You could go either way. Of course, he's opened all that he's played. He doesn't have a great record as an opener. He's not had a great time in the Vijay Hazare Trophy. That's okay. The strike rate, the average was poor. He's had slight fitness issues. I just wonder whether senior player. I heard him do a really nice pep talk for the younger players in the side. So maybe along with Yashasvi Jaiswal to open. But if you have Uthappa at 2 and Steve Smith at 3, who's your dasher to get you off to that great start? Because a good score in Sharjah is, could it be 160, 170? Do you need someone to go hard at the top? So I won't be surprised if they ask Sanju Samson to go up and tell Uthappa, you come and finish from 5. Unless, but they've got David Miller to do that role. So I'm just going round and round. I'm going round and round. I'm at Wellington.
The biggest roundabout, yes, indeed. But interesting you should say that. I wonder if that has anything to do with his move to a different Ranji Trophy team, because there are a few players who have done that, and Uthappa had to do that this season, going to Kerala of all places.
Yeah, look, Uthappa has really been sorting himself out, and I think that's for Robin is a player who's probably one of the most talented players who's ever played for India. I think his forte is he needs to be comfortable with the culture of a team and everything in the team. If he feels that, there are currents out there he doesn't understand, that impacts him. There are some players who are professional, forget about it and say, look, I'm not really bothered about what's happening in the team. Robin is not one of those players. He needs the team to be in sync with him. He needs to be liked as a player. But if you like him, and he's a very likable kid, and you give him support, he's a tremendous cricketer. He's a tremendous cricketer. Also, he has the ability to hit in the beginning without taking chances. You see a lot of guys flog in the beginning.
I'm going to hold you there, because I want to get a little more out of you on Robbie, just briefly, about his time in KKR at that time. I know you started talking about things like that, but an example.
And Joy didn't go to KKR. Gautam did. I mean, here are 2 hardcore Calcuttans pretending to be from Gurugram. Can you imagine what the state of the world is?
No. I only talk about the Delhi Capitals. So what are these, East and all that? I don't understand it. I'm a Gurugram man. As young Gautam is out there, you don't worry. That's down east. It's not our side.
But Robbie was part of that team, so I mean, I'm sure. He initially didn't open over there. Then he went in to open, and that was a transformation for him.
It was an absolute transformation for him. And the craziest part about it is that transformation, the man who's responsible was Jacques Kallis. And why it's so particularly important is that Jacques Kallis actually, when there was a period in that 2014 season where KKR were 2-5. They won 2 and lost 5. And then he won the next 9 games to win the tournament. But the one interesting part about that was that Robin was batting at 5-6. And Jacques Kallis was in one of the team meetings. And Jacques Kallis was at that time, part of the sort of committee for KKR. And they said that, Robin, what do we do with him? And he's not working out there. And he said, this man has been saying, this kid has been saying from day one that he wants to open. That's the one thing that he will do. Why don't we give him a chance? And whose place does he take? He takes Jacques Kallis' place. And the next match, Jacques Kallis doesn't play. Okay, they go and they open together. We still lose in Ahmedabad, but it's a century opening stand, and both Gautam and Robbie get runs. And then that's a batting order from there on. And from there on, Robbie goes on to get some 9 consecutive 40-plus scores. So give him faith. Give him that belief. And of course, there was a gem like Jacques Kallis to do it for him. But if somebody goes there, and I know Andrew McDonald is one of the finest communicators as a coach and as a cricketer, and he goes down and said, Robbie, we are with you. We're going to open for at least 5-6 innings. We're going to give you the best chance possible to make it your place. I think he'll respond very well.